Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11, beginning at mile 11 in Sumter County, Alabama, just outside the city of York. US 11 is heading northeast here, which is the general direction of the highway from beginning to end. We still continue to run near I-20 and I-59 and the Norfolk Southern Railroad tracks. On the right is Sumter Central High School, home of the Jaguars, with an enrollment of approximately 800. The school opened in 2011 as a merger of Livingston High School and Sumter County High School. The local name of Highway 11 becomes Lafayette Street as we enter the city of Livingston, the governmental seat of Sumter County. Livingston had a population of 3,436 as of the 2020 census. In the early 1830s, after the Choctaw Indians were relocated to Oklahoma, settlers from the Carolinas, Georgia, Tennessee, and Virginia established the first European American community about 2 blocks from the present-day Courthouse Square. Sumter County was organized in 1833. Livingston was incorporated in 1835 and named in honor of American statesman Edward Livingston of New York and Louisiana. A log courthouse was built, a newspaper established, and 4 schools opened. In the late 1800s, Livingston gained fame as a wellness destination due to the water from its bored well, which was one of several wells that facilitated settlement in the Black Belt region of Alabama. The well was drilled by an old blind mule that rotated an auger until it reached an artesian aquifer in 1857. Throughout the early 1900s, Livingston remained a popular health resort and was also home to the Alabama Normal School, which evolved from the Livingston Female Academy and was created to educate teachers for the public school system established during the Reconstruction period. As the college's offerings and curriculum grew, its name changed to the State Teachers College, Livingston State College, Livingston University, and ultimately the University of West Alabama. Livingston, a predominantly rural town, experienced a population decline and remained a quiet town. However, in the early 1960s, its citizens took action to revive the town, focusing on its history and Main Street. This effort led to a nearly 100% increase in population within a decade, accompanied by growth in industry and commerce. As a testament to their success, Livingston became a finalist in the All-American Cities competition sponsored by the Saturday Evening Post in 1972. As we enter the populated area of Livingston, US 11 gains a center turning lane. The downtown area is just 16 square blocks. Courthouse Square is not quite visible on the left-hand side, centered on Main Street and flanked by Marshall and Franklin Streets. In the square, along with the county courthouse, is the 1839 probate judge's office, which survived a fire that destroyed an earlier courthouse in 1901. Here we reach a T-intersection at North Street, which carries Alabama State Highway 28. We turn left as US 11 shifts over one block and joining Highway 28 in a concurrency. We turn right onto Washington Street, and the University of West Alabama is along the left-hand side of the street here. UWA has an enrollment of around 5,000 students and offers more than 60 undergraduate programs and 10 graduate programs through its academic colleges and divisions at the bachelor's, master's, educational specialist, and educational doctorate levels. Here, the concurrency with Alabama Highway 28 ends as it turns off to the left, offering a connection with I-20 and I-59. Here, US 11 becomes the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Highway. conclude today's video as we approach the city limits of Livingston at mile 21. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.